If you're planning to start a business in Mississippi, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Mississippi, even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why form an LLC in Mississippi? Well, for one, you have limited liability. That means your personal assets like your home, car, or savings are generally protected from business debts or lawsuits. Of course, you have a flexible management. That means you can either manage the business yourself as a member or appoint managers to handle day-to-day operations. And of course, you have tax advantages. This simplifies your tax obligations and keeps you more money in your business. And of course, the Mississippi's edge. Now, from supportive state policies to resources for small businesses, forming an LLC here can give you a strong foundation for growth and success. After that is choosing a name for your Mississippi LLC. Now you need to make sure that the name that you choose for your LLC is unique and must be distinguishable from existing business in Mississippi. It should include LLC or Limited Liability Company and avoid restricted terms like bank, insurance, corporation, government, bureau, or trust or corporation that are reserved for specific entity types. Now, all I have to do is very simple. Go to the Mississippi Secretary of State Business Search to check the availability of your desired name. Now, enter your business name. If no matching results appear, your name is available and good to go. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. After choosing your LLC name, now we need to choose a registered agent. The registered agent receives all the legal documents and state notices. They must have a physical address in Mississippi, must be available during business hours, and if you wanted to act as your own registered agent, you can do so, provided that you meet all the state legal requirement. But what we suggest is to hire a professional formation service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience, because they will handle all the paperwork for you. Now, it's time to officially register your LLC by filing the Certificate of Formation. This crucial step must be done by going to the Mississippi Secretary of State website, click on the business service, select Register an LLC, and complete the Certificate of Formation form. You'll have to provide the LLC name, register agent, details, business email address, and there is going to be a filing fee of $50 and the processing times usually approved within 1 to 2 business days. Although Mississippi doesn't require an operating agreement, it is highly recommended. An operating agreement outlines the ownership percentage, management structure, profit and loss distribution, helping protect your LLC status and avoids future disputes. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Once your LLC is formed, the next important step is making sure your business is properly licensed and permitted in Mississippi. Now, the exact licenses and permits you'll need depend on two main things. Number one is going to be your bit type of business and where you operate within the state. Now, to get this right, start checking with the Mississippi Department of Revenue. Then follow up with their local city and county offices. They will help you identify any state or local requirements specific to your business. Because taking the time to secure the proper licenses and permits is critical. Staying compliant helps you avoid fines, legal issues, and unnecessary interruptions to your operations, so your business can run smoothly from day one. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost-effective, it really is time-consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Mississippi. Now, the good news is, if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation, and of course, the state where you are forming your LLC, plus the total cost before payment. So think of this as your checkout overview. The company section collects the basic details about your business. It shows the LLC name, if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney, and of course the business purpose, plus the business address. Now, this information is collected to officially create your LLC with the state. And of course, the management section is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you runs the business, and the manager manage, which means you hire a manager to run the business for you. Now, if you are not sure what type of management you want to choose, just click the question mark icon, because this helps you determine who has authority to make decisions for the LLC. And if you want to add members or managers, click this button. Don't worry, because Northwest keeps this private. Now, these are added service that you wanted if you want to have like a tax ID, S corporation, premium mail service, and the service state. Now, if you want to skip all these, you can do that if you prefer to handle them yourself. The account section is where you create your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, set a password, confirm login details. Because once you set this up, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, and of course, view scanned mail and legal notices. And then the last section is going to be the payment tab, where you complete your order. Now here, it provides the credit or debit card details, of course, the final confirmation of your submission, and the review of total costs. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And that's it on how to register an LLC in Mississippi, which is a smart move for entrepreneurs looking for asset protection, flexibility, and a business-friendly environment. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.